Hello my beauties, welcome to my YouTube channel High on Style, and I hope you all are doing great. So here I'm Shikha with my another video. So today I'm creating this beautiful soft glam makeup look with using 4-5 products only.
क्या बोला तूने?
Can you see this makeup look is really amazing. बहुत ज़्यादा बेसिक लुक क्रिएट किया है मैंने कोई हाई कवरेज फाउंडेशन कुछ ऐसा यूज़ नहीं किया है क्योंकि मुझे एक एवरीडे सॉफ्ट मेकअप लुक क्रिएट करना था. तो आप देख सकते हो मेरे मार्क वगैरह जो भी हैं वो दिख रहे हैं, विजिबल हैं, एंड इट्स कम्प्लीटली ओके.
बात तो सही है.
सो ये एक अफोर्डेबल सॉफ्ट ग्लैम मेकअप लुक होने वाला है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
First I'm using primer. I'm using Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer, and this primer is really good, and this primer gives a brighten up skin. So let's start. I'm using a 2 pump of this product like this, and then I apply it all over my face. Now you can see the difference. My skin looks more dewy than before. So next I'm using Lakme Extraordinary Airy Material Mousse, and I'm using the shade Classic Ivory, and this product has a mousse kind of consistency. I apply this product with my fingers.
रुको जरा सबर करो.
Now I'm blending this with my fingers, and this product seamlessly blends into my skin. This product gives you a very sheer coverage. If you want to create soft and dewy looks, then you can try this product. So next product I'm using Swiss Beauty Cream It Up Blush with Shea Butter. This is from Swiss Beauty. I love this product because this product is very pigmented. And this blush gives you a very flush and dewy look. Can you see a very light and sheer pink color? And this looks really great on my skin. And you can use this product on daily basis because this product is very lightweight and very affordable at the same time, and the pigment is really good of this product. So next I'm using this Swiss Beauty Select Eyeshadow palette, and it is 12 shades. For soft glam look I am using this shade. This shade is light and perfect for my look.
A few moments later.
And this eyeshadow palette has single swipe pigmentation. The shade is a light brown shade, a kind of nude color, and I'm happy with the pigment. This looks really amazing and blends beautifully. For glitter I'm using this golden shade. If you want to apply glitter, always apply it with your fingers because this gives you a good amount of pigment. Wow, can you see? This looks amazing. Now I'm blending both the shades with brush. And this looks very subtle and very soft at the same time. I love this eye look. Now at last I'm using lipstick. For lipstick I'm using Maybelline Superstay Vanilla Ink lipstick, and I love this lipstick. And this lipstick gives you a very glossier look. At the same time, this lipstick is super long lasting. Shake this product before use. Now I'm applying this lipstick. And the shade name is Lippy. This shade is nude pink shade. If you want nude pink shade, then you can pick this shade. This shade is really amazing. This looks great on my lips. After 1-2 minutes, this lipstick settled down on my lips, and this lipstick is transfer proof and is smudge proof. Even after taking meals, this lipstick doesn't budge off. And can you see, for this look I am using only 4-5 products, and
क्या बढ़िया था गुरु.
एंड कैन यू सी द रिजल्ट्स इज अमेजिंग. मतलब आपको सिर्फ 5-6 प्रोडक्ट से ही आप इतना अच्छा लुक क्रिएट कर सकते हो. बाकी मेकअप प्रोडक्ट की चॉइस अच्छी होनी चाहिए. सो मैंने जो प्रोडक्ट्स आपको बताए हैं ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज दिस प्रोडक्ट्स. और इन सारे प्रोडक्ट का लिंक आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. सो आई होप यू एंजॉय दिस वीडियो. सो सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन टेक केयर. बाय बाय.